지난 이야기에선 나는 카파도키아에서 인도 친구를 만나 열기구와 같이 일출을 구경하였다. 오늘 이야기는 프랑스 친구를 만나 같이 등산할 예정이다.
Today, before leaving 트레일에, 카파도키아, I will hike around the 트레일에. Actually, if I have money, I would try to tour. I just walk by myself. There is like a 7 kilometer. Wow. Cappadocia. Did you make it by yourself? Everything? Wow. You are very talented. Wow. Actually, she make all of this. Very good.
아니, 이 많은 것들을 혼자서 다 만들었다는 것이다. 엄청 대단하다, 진짜.
Wow. So you draw by yourself, and sometimes you sell this one. So
No, English, then children.
okay. So when you sell this one, usually how much is it? How much?
Like this.
You when if you sell, do you sell these items?
No English.
No English, like it's not for sale.
English.
Okay. I can't explain in English. I just saw some like a souvenir, and she made all of souvenirs. If I have money, I really wanna buy one of them. Very nice. Very very long time ago, people lived in the cave.
나는 혼자 걷고 있는 여행객에게 말을 건넸다.
She is a French, and I don't know where she is going. But yeah, I just started to hike, and sometimes I need to talk with someone. Do you understand? Just a little bit. Sometimes I need to talk with the people.
Oui.
Because I'm travel by myself.
Yes.
I'm alone.
Yes.
So sometimes I wanna speak.
I understand.
Yeah, you understand? You also travel by yourself?
Yes.
Ah,
But only 2 weeks.
only 2 weeks. It's five months.
Okay.
So I
It's 5
started.
months, really.
It's been like 1.5 months since I traveled. And actually in Canada, in England, yeah, people can understand my English. But in Turkey, very difficult to find a friend.
Yes.
Yeah. So when I talk to Turkish, they say, no English.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So it was very hard. What is your name?
Amanda.
Amanda. Okay. My name is JP. Yeah, JP.
Now where are you going?
Where are you going? Actually, I'm hiking around the.
I want to go there. Oh la la. There is like a valley.
Okay.
What's his name?
Okay. Difficult. It's like
But
non
it's
English. I like your rapping. Smile. Yeah, I also try to rap, alright? Because the image is much better, right? I'm okay. Door, what is your door? Do you know? Sorry.
Attention,
Maybe stop?
careful. Ah, stop maybe. Same.
Maybe danger? What stop?
Oh, no, stop. I don't know. Before I think it's for say something, after I think for other thing.
We just got the convenience store for our lunch. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, what is that?
If you have any
I think this is like a sign for like hiking. I am hiking with Amanda. We have no destination. Just we go anywhere. Actually, this is a hiking trail. Hiking trail. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, it's a good hiking trail. It's not difficult. No, it's not difficult. And very quiet and very beautiful.
crazy or something.
Okay. Yeah.
But it's like that. We try to find better solution than than.
And this is a washroom. Maybe? Oh, there is people. There is tent. Hello. This is a hiking trail, right? Okay. There is some juice. I'm sorry. No, actually, we have a drink. So yeah. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Korea and France. Yeah. 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 그래. Yeah. Oh. It's very interesting because this is very inside of the mountain. But there is like people like you may think, oh, why I follow JP? It's too difficult. No, it's okay.
It's perfect.
Interesting.
정말 경치가 끝내준다. 근데 왜 여긴 사람이 한 명도 안 오는 걸까?
Wow. Now I'm enjoying with free. No money. Nobody hike this road. But it's really worth it. Very good hiking trail. With my friend Amanda. Marhaba. No, we have water. Yeah, next time. Thank you.
우린 이제 막 허기가 지기 시작하였고 간단히 앉아서 식사할 곳을 찾는다.
We just set the street and we are about to eat lunch here. This is my lunch. 4 lira. Yeah, less than $1. But we are not homeless man, okay? We just finished the lunch and work again. It's not difficult. How about the trail? Difficult?
No.
Or easy?
Easy.
No, just a
Very
flat.
nice.
Yeah. And it's free tour. No money. If you have a time, just avoid. We just came to Loveberry. I can't say why it is a Loveberry, but you know when you see the like this, it looks like. Okay. Hello, come here. 5 lira. I don't have a 5 lira.
You eat this, I think.
Yeah. Looks nice. What do you think? It's nice. Yeah. So we are getting tired. No, not yet. Okay, this is a white berry. This looks like white. Maybe. But in the camera, I'm not sure this looks white. But look at that, this is white, right? So let's go. You can see. Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go. 우치살 우시샤? 우시샤 castle. Can you see the Ushisha castle? There is a kind of like a peak, and underneath the peak there is some like a town. And my friend is getting tired. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to 트레일에. Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to 고레메. He's a little bit tired. Yeah? No? You said, oh.
Why?
You said, oh, my leg is like a problem. Like not working. It's just like a 10 kilometers.
Very good.
Very good. Yeah. If you don't have money, just work. It's okay. Maybe we say goodbye. Say goodbye. Yeah. And nice to meet you. Yeah. And have a good trip. Goodbye. See you.